To do leave credit import, first, log into the Cloud portal. Go to Leave menu. Select Import. And select Leave Credit. Then, select the Leave Credit Import template from the drop-down menu. And click to download the sample template. Open the downloaded Excel file. Fill in the necessary leave data for your employees. Ensure that you edit the downloaded sample file to avoid formatting error. And then, save the file. Return to the portal to configure the import settings. Select Settings. Choose an existing setting or type a new name to create one. Row Details. Define the starting row and ending row based on your Excel data. Leave Type. Note, you can select only one leave type per upload, and multiple leave types require separate uploads. Select Employee Codename column in your Excel and map the components as per the Excel file. Then, click on Save Settings to store this configuration. Click on Import Template to browse and select the Excel file you prepared. Finally, click the Upload File button to process the data.